Hello, it's Bernard Nomberg with Nomberg Law Firm. I wanted to spend a few minutes talking with you about the Social Security Administration, and more particularly the initial application process about how to start a claim for Social Security disability benefits online. As you may or may not be aware, the Social Security Administration pays out benefits basically under two different plans. One is the disability insurance program that is benefits to you and certain family members if you work long enough and have paid Social Security taxes. Also, an adult child may qualify for benefits and earnings based on your earnings, the applicant's earnings, if he or she has a disability that started before the age of 22. And then the other program is the Supplemental Security Income, which is SSI program, that pays benefits to disabled children and adults who have limited income or resources. Through the Social Security Administration, they have a pretty strict definition of what the term disability means. I'm going to read straight from their website, and that's ssa.org. And it is: disability under Social Security is based on your inability to work. They consider a person disabled under Social Security rules if 1. Cannot do work that they did before. 2. The administration decides that that person cannot adjust to work because of various medical conditions that they have discussed and made aware to the administration. And 3. That disability has lasted or is expected to last at least 1 year or to result in death. And those are the basic definitions, the criteria that have to be met in order for a person who files for Social Security disability benefits. Who can apply for benefits? Again, I'm reading from the administration's website. You can apply for disability benefits if you're age 18 or older, are not currently receiving benefits on your own Social Security record, are unable to work because of a medical condition or conditions that are expected to last at least 12 months or result in death. And the fourth criteria, have not been denied disability benefits in the previous 60 days. If your application was recently denied, there's an internet appeal application is the starting point for review. You can also schedule an appointment to go in person to your local Social Security office, and that number to start that process is 800-772-1213. Usually it's between Monday through Friday, 7 a to 7 p local time. If you apply online, and that's probably the preferred way to get things moving toward disability benefits, is the administration will provide confirmation of your application that it's been received either electronically or by mail. They review the application. They contact you if they need further information about medical providers or doctors, or if they need for you to see a doctor. They'll inform you also if other family members are eligible for benefits on your record, or if you may be able to receive benefits on another person's record, such as a spouse or a parent. They then process the application, and then they'll mail out the decision. And when you apply online, you can do so without the assistance of an attorney or some representative, but if you feel more comfortable, you certainly have the option to do so. Again, you can apply by phone, you can apply in person, you can do on the internet. If you're denied, you'll get a decision that says unfavorable. It'll explain to you why it was denied in their opinion. It'll also give you a deadline in which you can appeal. Now, there's 3 different types of situations for appeals. If your claim was recently denied for medical reasons, if you started the appeal but didn't complete it, or if you received a non-medical decision letter and that you disagree with that, you can appeal. Again, any type of appeal from the original application has a hard deadline, and it's spelled out in the letters. If you need assistance in either the initial process or the appeals process, please consider giving us a call at the Nomberg Law Firm in downtown Birmingham, 205-930-6900. We can also be found, website is nomberglaw.com. We're also on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you for your few minutes.